Today we will see 5 important journal entries related to correction of error chapters. Many students are confused to journalize these transactions. If you watch this video, I hope your doubts will be clear. For your better understanding, I have taken these 5 transactions from 2023 O-Level IGCSE Accounting first papers. Here the question is, Ramla has calculated her draft profit figure for the year ended 28 February 2023. Adjustments in Ramla's ledger accounts have still to be made for the following items. Okay, so here she already calculated her draft profit. Okay, but still she has some transactions to adjust in her ledger accounts. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that these transactions are not related to suspense account. Okay, as trial balance is not yet finalized, income statement is not yet prepared. Okay, so here our first transaction is an amount of $99 owed to Amla by my is to be written off as irrecoverable. Okay, so irrecoverable means bad debts. It is an expense, right? So expense is always debit. It has a debit account. So irrecoverable debt account to be debited, and here my account to be credited. Yeah, simple. So let us write here number 1, irrecoverable debts account to be debited and my account to be credited. Okay, so amount is $99 on the debit column and same amount on the credit column. Okay, so first one is done. Then we have number 2, fixtures and fittings $875 were purchased on credit from Padma. Okay, fixtures and fittings, it is an asset, purchase asset. It means that asset increased. So increase in asset will be debited, decrease in asset will be credited. So here fixtures and fittings are increasing, so fixtures and fittings will be debited. Yeah, and who is the giver? Purchased on credit. That means money is not yet paid. This asset is purchased from Padma. Yeah, so Padma will be here credited. Yeah, so let us write here number 2, fixtures and fittings account to be debited and Padma account to be credited. Okay, so here the amount is 875 on the debit and 875 on the credit column. Okay, great. We have our next transaction number 3. A loan repayment $500 had been incorrectly recorded as loan interest. Okay, loan repayment, it will be here debited. Yeah, why? Loan is liability. When liability is paid, liability is here decreased. So decrease in liability will be debited. Liability will be here debited. So loan will be here debited, but instead of loan, interest account is here debited. Okay, incorrectly. So now as interest account is debited incorrectly, it will be credited to rectify. Okay, and loan will be here debited. So let us write here number 3, loan account to be debited and loan interest account to be credited. Okay, so the amount is here $500 on the debit side and same amount on the credit side. Okay, number 3 is done. Next we have number 4, rent paid $350 had been recorded as $530. Rent paid, it is an expense, right? So expense is always debited. So here this amount, rent amount should be 350, but mistakenly it is written as 530. Okay, so 530 is the wrong amount. The correct amount is 350. So if we subtract 350 from 530, we get here $180. So here expense is overstated by $180. Rent is overstated by this amount. So now to rectify, rent must be decreased. Yeah. So decrease in expense will be credited. Okay. And increase in expense will be debited. So rent is an expense. We have to decrease this expense now. So rent will be credited and cash or bank will be debited. Why cash or bank? Because how these transactions are made in cash or by check or by bank transfer, it is not mentioned here. So if you write cash, it is okay. If you write bank, it is also okay. So we can write here now number 4, cash or bank. Just prefer one of them. Debited and rent account to be credited. Okay. So which amount we'll write now? 530, 350 or 180? Well, if you say it is 180, you are absolutely correct. So this was the amount written incorrectly. So we will write here now this amount $180. So we finished. Last transaction is here, number 5. Drawings $120 had been debited to the wages account. What is drawings? When owner takes something from the business, we call it drawings. Owner may take money in cash, owner may take goods. If owner takes goods, we decrease the purchase. If owner takes cash, we decrease the cash or bank amount. Okay. So here owner takes $120. It is cash, but instead of writing drawings, debited to wages account. So mistake. Wages are not supposed to be here, but mistakenly it is written. It is debited. So to rectify now, wages will be credited. Simple. And correct account is here, drawings. Okay. So drawings will be here debited. So let us write here number 5. Drawings account to be debited and wages account to be credited. Okay. So what is the amount? 130 on the debit and same amount on the credit column. Okay. So this is how you need to journalize in your exam. Okay. So next tutorial I'll show you how to adjust, how to rectify the profit for the year. We will see what is the impact on the draft profit for these journals. Okay. This tutorial will be very important. I hope you will watch. So see you soon. Bye bye and take care.